Do you have cornstarch powder at home? Then you should try this at home. This cornstarch powder and the vinegar is using as a powerful glass cleaning solution. It may sound like cleaning, but this starchy solution is a great way to keep your glass clean. The cornstarch helps clear away any pesky, stubborn messes that are stuck to your glasses. It works in tandem with the vinegar, which tackle dirt and grime head on, along with the rubbing alcohol, which dissolve your cleaning mixture away. Adding rubbing alcohol is an optional method.